Let's look at this question now. The sum of squares of three positive numbers is 1883, and the sum of products of all possible combination of these three numbers taken two at a time is 1871. What is the sum of these three numbers? So simple, we are given that x square plus y square plus z square is given as 1883, right? And the sum of products of all possible combinations, that is xy plus yz plus xz, it is given as 1871. So we need to find what is the sum of these three numbers, right? So I have this identity x plus y plus z whole square is equal to x square plus y square plus z square plus 2 times xy plus yz plus zx, right? So I can replace these values. X plus y plus z square is 1883 plus 2 times 1871. So it would be 183 plus 24 and 37. So this would be 5, 2, 15 and 1, 16 and 3 and 2, 5. So 5, 6, 2, 5. So x plus y plus z would be the square root of this number. Now this would be the square of 75 only. This would be the square of 75. So the correct answer to this question would be option B.